direction and collect the information as many as possible from the surrounding area.
Okay.
Here we show that tower, which is the design part, it shows that or it indicates that radiate power in all direction and says that
Please move the robot in different location, in different direction.
it will say that no one will hide from us, we will capture anything.
Now explain me what is the design factor.
If any object is in front of that our robot, that time the light is blinking, and then if no object is in our front of us, then light is continuously on. If any object is in front of robot, then light is continuously on. And of course the light color, our robot is outside of the light. At that time the light is blinking on. And if our robot is continuously following the light, at that time and never any problem or running to the work that and for use the two LED simple LED and one is for light chamber. The LED is reflect on our light and they reflect connect with our photodiode. Like our robot is outside of the light, reflect the frequency is changed. So the controller is not the frequency is not in our frequency. That's the photo design.
Thank you.